Okay, so we're going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to create a flag with animated physics. So here in Maya, we're going to create the flag itself. So I've prepared a texture for this as well using the Hypershade editor. Set that to number 2. Then we shall create a plane. So this is just a simple plane. Then we will rotate this. "90 degrees. So we can see it's got the image on. I'll just make it a bit bigger. Like so. Then I am going to create extra subdivisions. And we'll go with about 25. Okay, so then what we'll do, go with this into there. We'll just quickly turn on wireframe to make sure it's inside. And then we shall create a nCloth. Create nCloth up here. And it's now an nCloth. So you can see it just falls at the moment. However, if we instead go over here, select vertices, select the vertices here, then go over to nConstraint, transform constraint, and we press play. You can see the flag now falls down and is attached to the flagpole. So we turn off wireframe now. See. Now, unfortunately, it does go through part of the flagpole. So instead, to get around this, what we'll do is we'll create a new nCloth, create a passive collider. This means that it won't be affected by gravity and a lot of effects. However, it will be affected by other nCloth objects. We'll just play that. That didn't work. It's a good idea to make sure that you've got the entire object selected. Otherwise, it won't create the nCloth. So now, we do this. You can see it just falls down against it. Now that's quite useful because we now have our flag. But what if we want someone to? We want to simulate some wind. So what we can do, we go to here. Where is it? In the nucleus, we can see what gravity and wind. So we can affect gravity. Let's turn that down a bit. We can up the air density, up the wind speed, up the wind noise. So that's like the variables. And then we'll change wind speed by 3. We'll see what happens. Direction. So as you can see, now our flag is waving in the wind. Now obviously we can further affect this. If I were to increase gravity, convert. If I decrease, it stays pretty high up, which is pretty nice. Yes, so this was how to make an animated flag in Maya using cloth physics.